Today I'm sifting through my scraps and finding chunks of walnut and other hardwoods like this that I'm going to turn into something special. So if you want to see how I turn this piece of walnut into an incredible EDC tray, stick around. We're just getting started. I kept the design for my tray relatively simple with just 2 compartments. It measures 6 inches by 9 inches overall, and I decided to kick it up just a little bit by inlaying some leather into the bottom. I designed the recessed portion of the inlay to match the pocket I carved with a 3/4 inch ball nose bit. Since the ball nose bit will leave the corners and the bottom of the pockets rounded, I designed the corners of the inlay cavity with a 3/8 inch radius, and I offset all 4 sides 3/8 of an inch from the inside of the pocket walls. After making sure I was happy with all aspects of the design, I copied the shapes I used to carve the inlay and made a template I could use to cut out my leather. Taking a look at these VCarve Pro summary sheets, you'll see that this is a very simple carve. I generated 3 tool paths using 2 different bits. The first is a 3/4 inch ball nose bit that I used to carve the pockets. Then I used a 1/4 inch upcut bit to carve the inlay for the leather and the outside perimeter of the tray. Keeping that same 1/4 inch bit in the spindle, I went ahead and cut out my template for the leather from some 1/8 inch scrap plywood. One of the tool paths we'll run as part of this project is a process of rounding over the corners of this workpiece. Since I have this fence in place and I don't really want to cut into it or destroy it, I've created these offset blocks that I can easily put in place and accurately offset my workpiece away from the fence. With this piece firmly held in place, we're ready to start running all of our tool paths. If you're just starting your CNC journey, an EDC or Valet tray like this is the perfect place to start. If you'd like to download the files that I used to make the tray in the video, check out the link below in the description. My name's Ben from the Benjamin Butler Company, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I've got more projects like this coming up in my CNC-IN-3 video series. So be sure to subscribe and follow along for more CNC and woodworking content. Thanks a lot and have a great day.